This is a theme-specific training for responsive Meals on Wheels sites in theme number 3 in Drupal 7. Other theme-specific trainings can be found on the support site at support.1h.com. You'll find trainings for all of our responsive themes there. This training today will show you how to manage the blog feature on your responsive Meals on Wheels theme number 3 site. So of course you'll want to be logged in as per usual to make any changes to your website. You'll notice that your site has a blog content type. When you scroll over content, add content, you should see an option for a blog entry. Now, a lot of people hate the word blog. Don't worry, we can change titles. A blog entry is very similar to like a news item. So you can actually use your blogs for news if you don't like, or if you don't think you're going to be doing a more personal blog item. All of those blog items that you create through content, add content, and blog entry, all of those blog items will appear at /blog, B-L-O-G. Now, you'll also notice that it has a title of blog here up at the top of the page. We can change this title, so if you don't like blog and instead you'd prefer it to be community news or Meals on Wheels news or something else, again, our team always has the ability to update that title for you. Now, anytime you add a new blog, it will appear at the very top of the page and push the other items down the page. As you start to accrue blog items, you'll have a little pager down here at the bottom that'll go to the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, zillionth page of your blog items as you start to accrue. So it works like a little archive. You can make sure that this blog page is linked in your main menu or even down here in the footer if you need. Each one of these blog items they automatically will feed to this blog page, but additionally, you can read each individual item as well. As you go in to create a new blog, what you'll want to do is just go to content, add content, and blog entry. You will want to add in a title. That title will appear on the blog page in larger black or gray text up here. You do also have the ability to add in an image. You do not have to use an image if you don't want to, but if you do want to use an image in this area, you'll want to make sure that that image is at least 400 pixels wide by 250 pixels tall. Once you have that 400 by 250 pixel image, then you can add it in. It will appear as a larger kind of thumbnail image over on the left side of this blog feed. So each image does have the ability to correspond to a blog item. You can then put all of the content in the body here if you need to. And of course, that blog content, some of that body will appear here. It's a little bit of teaser text. And then they can click that read more button to see the full extent of that blog information or the blog body that you enter in. So again, feel free to put in a title, an image, and then add any content to the body. Come on down and save your work. And then you'll want to go straight to your blog page and double check that that new blog item appears at the very top of this feed and that it displays correctly. And when you click the read more link, that you are able to read all of the information in that blog. If you have any questions about how to update your blog, or if you need any help or assistance to change the title or help you kind of adjust some of the settings for your blog, you'll want to make sure that you are submitting a support ticket at support.1h.com. And of course, if you are in Basecamp working on a brand new website, you'll want to post a Basecamp message for your project team. And don't forget to watch any other helpful tutorials on our support site at support.1h.com.